Hello students, good morning. I hope all of you are well. So, welcome to the e-learning class of IT, right? Okay, so today we will do the exercise of this chapter. But before that, I want to say that the in your book, in yellow box you can see in page number 182 that in yellow box there are some guidelines are there, some important points are there. You uh, I think you learn this points and read this chapter thoroughly, because the this time in half yearly the questions will come from the inside the chapter. Okay, so read the chapter thoroughly, and this important points are here, like rapid typing tutor shows the keyboard and indicates which key to be pressed next and the correct finger to be used. Okay, next one is the technique of touch typing involves having the hands dangle in the middle of the keyboard. Okay, that these points we have discussed earlier. These are the important points of your chapter which are discussed here, but we have discussed it in detail in the chapter, right? So while the fingers rest on the home keys, I think all of you know, that is left hand side the ASDF, and right hand, that is JKL and semicolon. Next is the fingers move from their center position only to press some other key. Otherwise, don't move your hand, don't move your fingers always. Okay, only when you need that, when you have to press the other keys, then only you move your fingers. Okay, and always type without watching the keyboard. You can learn, you can train by this chapter, rapid typing tutor, right? Okay, so next point, the fingers of the left hand rest on ASDF and right hand JKL semicolon keys. The various statistics related to the typing performance of a student are shown under the students statistics tab. Next one is under the lesson editor tab. The student can set the speed and the typing settings for each lesson. Okay, so that we have seen in lesson editor, you can set your typing speed, you can set your typing, how will you how will you type the words, alphabets, that you can set for each and every lesson. Next is rapid typing tutor gives an option to select the language of the keyboard and the typing lesson. Which language you want, you have to through the keyboard. I am telling about the keyboard language that you can set from the lesson editor. So next one is, once the typing text test for a lesson is completed, rapid typing tutor displays the typing result in that particular lesson completion dialog box. Okay, each and every lesson typing speed and all these things are separate, or these things are different for the each and every lesson. So these things you can see through the completion lesson completion dialog box. Next is the statistics display window displays various statistics such as accuracy, speed, WPM, CPM, KPM. So these things we have seen in the previous class. And the lesson editor dialog box displays the list of all the lessons, different settings that can be chosen for each lesson, the current performance of a student in the selected lesson, and the virtual keyboard with the characters used in the selected lesson. Virtual keyboard also you can see in colored picture, colored form you can see, and different colors are there. So it will show you which keys are for what. Next is rapid typing tutor displays the typing speed in CPM and WPM, that is character per minute and words per minute. Accuracy in typing can be calculated on the basis of the typing speed. Typing rhythm means the intervals between the different key strokes, and this rhythm will be maintained if the interval will be between this keystrokes will be between the keys. If the interval between the keys will be same, then a rhythm produce. So typing rhythm means the intervals between different keystrokes. A typing speed of 50 to 75 WPM is considered as a good typing speed. Okay, so these are the important points of this chapter. But again, I am telling you, you read this chapter thoroughly, because the questions in half yearly will come from your inside the chapter. Okay. Okay, so first we will see today the checkpoint of your chapter. This first one is in 174 page number. So fill in the blanks. The keys with a letter A, S, D and F are present on the, all of you can say, that is, yes, left hand side of the keyboard. Number 2, the dash mouse operation is used when a certain text needs to be edited. So that is blocking, that is selecting the text and whatever you want to edit you can do there. Next is the dash key should be pressed to create a new line, that is enter or return key, that is for going to the moving to the next line, new line. Number 4, a numeric keypad has dash columns and dash rows. So how many columns and how many rows are there? 4 columns, 5 rows. Okay. Now there are two questions here. What is the function of the Alt key? What is the function of Alt key? That you can you have seen that in your book. What is the function of Alt key? That is the first thing. It is a modifier key, which is a short form of alternate key, no? So it is like a second control key, and it helps to change the function of other pressed keys, and hence it is called as a modifier key. Because suppose for compilation, when you're doing the compilation in Alt F9, no, so that is a modifier key. When you will always you have to press this Alt key with any other key, that's why this is called modifier key. Okay. Next question, how is the drag and drop mouse operation performed? Drag and drop mouse operation performed. So drag and drop means what? That is we have discussed that the action helps to select and move an item from one location to the other. So to do so, position the cursor, mouse pointer on that item, then press and hold the left button and move the object to the required location. Okay, and then release the left button of the mouse. So just press the button and then move the required location and then release the button. That is called drag and drop. Okay, so next question is of page number 181. So that is checkpoint true false. Touch number 1, touch typing improves the speed and accuracy of a person. Yes, it is true, because yes, it improves the speed and accuracy, touch typing software, no? Next is the lessons in rapid typing tutor cannot be customized. No, we can customize through the rapid typing tutor software, so it will be false. We can customize. The left hand home keys setting corresponds to the keys Q, W, E and R. No, the home keys of the left hand side we have seen, that is A, S, D, F. So it will be false. Yes, A, S, D, F, Q, W, E, R, that is just above the A, S, D, F. No, so but the home keys is A, S, D, F, left hand side, right? So it will be false. Next is typing speed can be calculated only in WPM. So typing speed can be calculated in different measurements are there, WPM, CPM, then KPM, that things we have seen, that is typing speed measurement. So it will be false. So next question, list the features of rapid typing tutor. List the features of rapid typing tutor. So rapid typing tutor speed, we have features we have seen, that is in page number 175. You can see that first, it provides support for different keyboard layouts with the ability to use and edit user defined layouts. Then it provides it offers several different courses in many languages. So it is a user friendly course editor, right? And during the training session, rapid typing tutor collects comprehensive statistical information which helps the user to analyze his or her performance, like typing performance in different terms, no? WPM, CPM. So these are the some features of rapid typing tutor. Okay, now come to the of this challenge zone. You try to these questions exercise MCQs, 7 MCQs are there, and question answers in brief and in detail. So we will discuss it tomorrow, and you try to do this MCQs, you try to do with your own, that is your homework. Okay, and question answers we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.